Hello everyone, in this short video I am going to tell you two hidden tools which you will not find in any menu. So let's quickly begin. So number one is new from selection. So as you can see, it is placed over here, new from selection. So this particular feature you will not find in any menu. I have kept a permanent button over here so that whenever I want I can access directly from here. So what this tool does, for example, is new from selection. And the second feature is called collect for output. So as you can see, collect for output is here. Now this tool was present earlier in the customization. There is an option called commands. So when you click on the commands, you have to just type the tool. So whatever tool you want to use very frequently, you can make a permanent button over here like I have done over here. Now the tool number one is new from selection. So I have to just type new. It will show you all the tools which is started from new. So this is the option, new from selection. You have to simple drag and put it over here. So let's say I want a new tool which is new path. So I will just drag it and put it over here. So it will remain permanent over here. In the similar manner, collect for output, you have to just type collect and you will find the option over here. Simple drag and put it over here. And now once the button is permanently kept, if you want to remove those buttons, you can simple press Alt key on a keyboard and you can